I know somewhere else we can play while we're waiting.
Damn, you packing like you throwing a motherfucking McFeast for the whole fat-ass block. This ain't no fucking buffet.
Mim Mim funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
Stop it! Stop what? Screaming!
Can I help? I'll take this one.
Debbie, I'm not buying you the game and that's final!
Different way to carry these heavy pots.
Do not do that. What?
Mim Mim funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
Do you understand?
I wonder if we can find a better way to jump rope.
Mark and Josh, I said stop!
Mim Mim funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
Told you to get up and get dressed for school. Get up the stairs and go get dressed.
Follow my lead. Tap your foot at the same time I do.
Before you come to bed, before you come to bed, you beating your shit. Before you go to fucking bed, you beating your shit.
Do. 1, 2, 1, 2.
If I hear any of you yelling chicken jockey in this theater, I will be calling the authorities. Not for you, but for me. After I beat your ass.
Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees.
Who is talking while I'm talking? Shut up.
Listen to that. We sound great when we're all playing to the same beat.
Who is playing that music on my bus? Turn it off. Now.
Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees.
I sit right here. Sit right here.
Great job, everyone.
Oh! Here, listen, I'm telling you.
Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees. Boom chickabees, boom boom chickabees.
Shut up!
I wish we could find that fallen star.
It makes no sense why you guys are a bunch of 5th graders acting like a bunch of 1st graders.
Fun to find a fallen star, wouldn't it, Mims? And I know where to look.
Shut your mouth!
Mim Mim funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again. So, Boom Chickabees, what can we do for you?
And don't be on the phone watching TikTok either. I know how y'all like to.
She will. Ready, everyone? Let's try playing together this time.
You get back in your corner right now. You get in there right now. No, you get in your corner now. Stay.
I guess I got a little carried away.
You need to be watching me, so I can signal you safely across, so you can be watching the traffic too.
I probably should have just waited till you were done.
You're not watching what you're supposed to be doing. I do my job, you need to do yours. Now move over there.
That doesn't seem fair. Seems like there's gotta be a way we can both do what we like at the same time.
Sit down.
Or find a way to take turns. We'll put our heads together and figure something out.
I like it.
Shit the fuck! The fuck is a fucking problem, nigga?
Oops.
Huh, look at that. Never seen that before.
Get back in the corner.
Let's give it a good pull on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bad potty.
And there you go. That should be the last of it.
Watch your mouth, and you can go to the office. How about that?
So, you invented another formula to dissolve your sticky formula? Science is cool.
You're not reading to the whole fucking class.
Speaking of which, I've had enough science. Feel like playing some drums?
Everybody out the truck. Everybody out the truck.
We're in a good time.
Let's go. Let's go.
Peter, you know me so well. I think now would be the perfect time.
Not Desiree.
Ice swimming? Wow, it looks like it's made out of snowflakes.
Do you understand?
There's no way Rhino's getting away now.
I'm Mommy.
I wish came true already.
Give me your hand, Timmy.
Everybody laughing and clapping like you Kevin Hart and shit. No, I'm the comedian. That's my joke. You stole it. Fight me.
Hey, stop it now, Malachi, stop.
That water ruined my mom's card.
We are not doing this again!
Now I don't have a Mother's Day present for her.
You're being inappropriate!
And worse, Doc Ock and Cal got away.
Shut up!
I shouldn't have gone after her by myself.
Hey, stop it. I don't want to hear that.
Imagine that, Mim Mim. A beanstalk as tall as the clouds.
Fuck both of you! Shut the fuck up!
Mim Mim, funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
Everybody in here, shut up.
Let's try playing together this time.
What the fuck? Auntie, why the fuck is the sink so dirty?
We are not doing this again!
Jaden and Piston.
Shut up!
Great job so far.
We are not doing this again!
I wish my eyes were like yours.
What the fuck?
I wish there was a way to change my eyes and make them more like hers.
You gotta whoop him.
Mim Mim, funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
But you like me and not want me!
For my second wish, I wish for these umbrella flowers to grow the way they're supposed to grow.
I told you not to test me.
With my last wish, I wish...
Scout, you better move.
I wish that the teeny genie had a bigger, nicer lamp to live in.
Since we walked up, we're going home.
I made a wish to change something he didn't like about himself.
What is this eggplant peach? It looks like water to me. Jake, is that you? No, you know what? I'm removing you. That is highly inappropriate.
Come on, Mim Mim. I know where lots of special things grow.
Bootylicious69. Who is this Bootylicious69? Bradley, is that you? Nope, I'm removing you.
Mim Mim, funny bunny friend, it's time to come to life again.
The teacher smells like ass. Who is the teacher smells like ass? Josh, is that you? You know what? Nope, I'm removing you. Nope.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I am not playing around, guys. I made it very clear to not use inappropriate names on the screen. If we're not going to take this seriously, then we won't play Kahoot. We'll just go straight to bookwork immediately. Do I make myself clear?
And here comes the surprise!
This is your last warning, guys. Yeah, Mark, Josh, Zach, and Lucas, I'm looking at you for.
Has the surprise happened yet? Surprises can be a little surprising.
Yeah, you four idiots in the back. Don't even think about trying me, okay?
Nope.
Now?
Not yet.
Now?
Not yet.
You know what, guys? You know what? I'm turning it off. Nope, we're done. We're done. Nope, nope, nope. We are done.
Wowie, wow!
That is so cool.
I'm proud to have helped it grow, even if it's not in my garden.
Me too. Surprises and all.
Nah, bro, you know exactly what you did. That was my joke. Come on, 30 seconds. Hurry up.
Oops, stop right there. Don't cross over that safety line.
It is serious. Everybody laughing and clapping like you Kevin Hart and shit. No, I'm the comedian. That's my joke. You stole it. Fight me.
Out of the way, Wazowski. You don't belong on a scare floor.
Everybody laughing and clapping like you Kevin Hart and shit. No, I'm the comedian. That's my joke. You stole it. Fight me.
Brian, do not step over the line.
There you go.
Have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.
I love that song so much.
Say tomorrow that y'all cannot behave.
Hey, listen. I think I hear more whales.
Since you guys can't take Kahoot seriously, we won't play it at all. Textbooks out right now.
It's almost time for the fireworks to start.
Everybody will get to their seats and sit down and remain seated.
Hey, Sparks. We've got you covered.
Hands to yourselves. If you cannot do that, I will reassign your seats.
Sparks didn't have to give Mr. Puppy Paws his headphones.
Also, I am still getting reports of somebody saying bad words.
But he did, even though it meant he wouldn't have any for himself.
That needs to stop.
Because super kitties are kind to everyone.
Nobody should be saying words, the B word, or an F word, or an S word, anything like that.
I can't see a thing.
I think everybody knows what that I'm talking about.
Even villains.
You'll need to stop that. I do not want to hear anybody more reports of somebody saying those words.
And I'm taking that to heart.
If I see you out of that seat again, you're gonna get kicked off this bus!
Oh, sorry, Kate. I don't know how to make them open up.
I have told you 1,000 times!
Boomer, do you remember how you were making the lamp glow?
Sit down!
We'll have to work together to spin these flowers.
I don't want to see you up!
If we spin them, they'll spin the lamp inside.
Leave me the fuck alone!
You can get Way Up High in an Apple Tree from Autumn Songs in full CD download at www.learningstationmusic.com or in single song download from CD Baby. See the videos playing? You can view them just by clicking. And please become a Learning Station friend and click on the big yellow subscribe button. Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook.
Thanks for singing and dancing with me. If you had fun, please click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you would like free learning activities and Gracie's Corner merch, check out our website, www.graciescornertv.com. Thanks again for the support.